any second girl is a model. Pictures are totally docked. When the model walks in, you're like, is this you? See, you have no talent whatsoever. मुझे अली जफर बना दें. I'm like, आपने अपनी शक्ल देखी है कि आपको अली जफर बना दूं? I'm quite a muppet. It gets me into trouble sometimes. During Kamaj, we had a major altercation, and I remember Shan he literally picked me up and brought me back onto the set, like physically picked me up, and I'm not an easy guy to pick up. Sudhrava adult. As a child, I was a monster.
Oh no!
But monster.
Huh.
I had hair.
The best pickup line ever used on me was,
क्या आप हमारे friend हैं?
Oh no!
Oh my God, you've just let me out of the Pandora's box.
Salam Khawateen और Azad, मेरा नाम है अहमद अली पाठा and welcome to yet another episode of Excuse Me with Mr. Fraudier. अगर आपको नहीं पता मिस्टर फ्रॉडिये कौन है तो पाकिस्तान के अंदर से दो लोग ही मिस्टर फ्रॉडिये हैं. One, thou shall not be named. The other one we can name because he is the maestro himself. He needs no introduction because when we're talking about hair, when we talk about makeup, we talk about styling. There's only one name जो पाकिस्तान की फैशन इंडस्ट्री और हेयर इंडस्ट्री में सर फहरिस्त आता है और वो है पा तारिक का. Please welcome Mr. Tariq Amin.
Thank you. What a gorgeous welcome. Thank you so much.
No.
I'm honored.
Honored? It's my honor. मतलब आपको पता है आपको देख के तो हम लोग इस इंडस्ट्री में आए थे. Why did you do Mr. Fraudier in the first place?
Because nobody else could do it. But all the productions that I'm involved I'm a bit of a Alfred Hitchcock का जो character होता है ना movies में, he always walks across the screen.
Yeah.
Or is in some inconspicuous place, but he makes an appearance. So I've made an appearance in every video that I've ever worked on.
But this was not the appearance. This was
it was very encouraging from the fact that Saqib and Asim both said that, we know you can do this.
Mm-hmm.
So I said, and I was pretty much, it's an acting role when you don't have any dialogue, and you have to bring across those traits of your character or whatever. It's actually so much harder to do than to change your voice and just become somebody else. But at that time was also the sort of revival of music, videos.
Music to उस time पे Indus Vision
so the video,
और नया आना शुरू हुआ था and all that.
The big G and MTV it happened.
Yeah.
Pakistan went through it.
Yeah.
So
but were you expecting it to be this big? Because Awaz this time was one of the biggest bands.
The minute I heard the song, it was just so catchy and so memorable and so radio friendly. I have a good eye. Mm-hmm. It's all the years of training thanks to my father,
mm-hmm.
who was very shocking, always loved ghazals and pop is something that it was just happening at the time.
Yeah.
With Mr. Fraudier, with subsequently with Channo, with
but if Fakhre Alam and all that, these boys were making the waves.
Most of the videos in which I've worked or done this, most of them are Mora Saiyan, like that old school kind of ghazal vibe that's timeless.
Yeah.
And all the songs that I've worked on have that quality. They are a number one song. I've never done a video that's not been a number one song.
Mm.
So I also had a music company. No? People keep forgetting that. Just have to remind everyone.
You did.
Yes, the first legal music recording company in the country.
उसके ऊपर हम लोग बात करते हैं जरा, मगर थोड़े सा
बहुत सी बातें कर सकता हूँ. मैं बातें इतनी करता नहीं हूँ ना, मगर जब करता हूँ तो बस
but why
खींच निकालना सब कुछ.
मगर आप फिर म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में आए क्यों?
I'm from a generation that we listen to music.
Yeah.
And then I became a part of a generation that watched music because MTV was born in front of me.
Mm.
And when you watch music, it's a totally different. A great example is Abbas Ali Khan's Sunre video.
Mm.
It's a video with a boy, girl, and a rose.
Yeah,
and typical boy, girl, rose, romance, but there's me as a clown. Abbas is, a big guy,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
he's pimped out with like all the fur and, all of that sort of rapper kind of a thing.
Wow.
And it's a language that the language of the video you can see it in Japan, you could see it in America, you could see it in the Middle East, you could see it anywhere in the world, and it communicated the essence of the song rather than the visuals that you pre-imagine in your mind that it's a boy girl video with the
बिल्कुल
rose.
बिल्कुल.
So we, like I said, we come from a generation that watched music, and the music video was such a. I mean, I was just having fun. To tell you the truth, yeah, I was having a great time.
But
Because it was just another medium. I'm a visual person, so for me, I could see everything that I've done in a video. And I've been very lucky that I had to, work with the best directors from Saqib to Jami to I mean, everybody that's been there in the industry, all the best photographers, all the best models,
you created the best also.
Well, I'm pretty good at that. I'm good at picking a winner. I'm good at taking a diamond from the rough and polishing it up and saying, you're free to go.
अच्छा, लोगों को पता नहीं आप पिंडी बॉय हैं.
Asil mein, I was born in November, and in December we moved to Islamabad.
But पैदा पिंडी में हुए थे.
I was born in satellite town Rawalpindi at the Holy Family Hospital.
पिंडी. Yeah, we have another पिंडी boy.
Of course, I'm a
very
Pindi
nice.
boy.
तो कराची किस तरह आना हुआ? मतलब growing up in Pindi and of course.
I went to the American school, so I always, John and Mary and Ted and, Wilma were graduated after 12th grade and buggered off to wherever, Maryland and Seattle and wherever, all over. So I never had those bachpan, say, growing up wale friends. I had the few Pakistanis that were there at the American school at the time. I mean, I'm still friends with them. We meet every, 10 days and have a boys' night and all of that stuff. But so I never had that, going to the American school, it had its own, you're in your own world.
Yeah, it's a very bubble.
Yeah. So when I came back, I didn't know anybody from college. When I came back, I was just like, wherever I come, I had a culture shock when I came back. Because I, hardly knew. Everybody was still in, away in college. Because over there, in my grade, were like 2 Pakistanis. In 10th grade were 3 Pakistanis. In 9th grade, so all the Pakistanis used to stick together. So we were all a year or 2 apart, friendship-wise. So when I came back, none of my friends they were still in college, because we were a year too junior to me, or, some were senior and moved on with their lives. And so when I came back, there was just, I had nobody in Islamabad. And I said that, let me go in. I had a degree in business. I didn't, this was something that I did for myself.
वो तो उस टाइप पे होता है ना कि यार अच्छा बिजनेस की डिग्री ले लो
बस यही वो ज़माना ही वो ऐसा था. Nobody, a Pathan boy did not leave home and become a hairdresser in my time. No. No. किसके बेटे हो और नाई बनोगे. I heard that for a very long time. I had to prove. I think, most parents want their children to be successful, to be able to live in the lifestyle that they were brought up in, at least. They should be able to maintain that. And they never thought I could make a living nobody thought I could make a living out of fashion.
मगर कौन सा ऐसा मोमेंट था जहाँ आपको पता लगा था this is not my line?
When I did Benazir's makeup for her wedding. My name came in Vogue magazine and that was it.
मगर उससे पहले आपने ये कब डिसाइड किया था कि
मैंने तो बहुत पहले से डिसाइड कर दिया.
अब्बा हजूर को कब बताया था?
अब्बा हजूर को जब मैं कराची आया था. Everybody was like, he'll grow out of it. No, I'm very spoiled. I got away with murder. Yeah. So, he'll grow out of it. He'll, I never grew up and I never grew out of it. But, also it was like 5 years into my career when they realized that, he's serious and that, and I proved it to them that I can pay my rent and pay my electricity bill and, fly up and see them and continue my lifestyle the way I was. I mean, I wish it was like my father's lifestyle, but, I'm almost there.
बैक देन सोशल मीडिया तो होता नहीं था, तो बड़ा कम हम लोगों को देखने को मिलता था, क्योंकि लाहौर का सर्कल एक
नहीं, एटलीस्ट देखने को मिलता था, आपको कुछ क्वालिटी को देखने को मिलती थी. आजकल तो कोई क्वालिटी आपको नहीं.
आजकल तो क्वांटिटी है ना, करी जॉब.
आजकल तो I mean, you don't even need me. You don't even need you. We can get an AI
filters.
We can get a model. You can make a video. We can get a DJ. We can make a song. We can make a video. We can make 10 of you.
Are you scared that
10 of me?
Are you scared that हम लोग we won't be relevant anymore?
Relevance is, I don't know. Like when you're a dinosaur on top of the food chain, nobody can ignore you, and I like being there. It's the only thing that is a saving grace for from Gen Z and millennials and all the youth and the way things are going. It's just like you said, quantity over quality. I don't see any quality in fashion. I don't see any quality in anything visual any longer.
You've been in the industry for so long.
40 years.
Mashallah.
4 decades.
And 40 more to come.
If I don't become a geriatric and start shaking.
Let's talk about the early days. Making it in the industry. Because time the industry.
I was very lucky. Yeah. I came at the right time. There were lots of guys in the business, but nobody that came. I don't mean to sound like an elitist or anything, but nobody that came with an American college degree and swag and the right mom and dad. So I was just at the right place at the right time. I was a society boy. Zari ka beta hai. He must.
मैं डैडी अमेरिका तो पढ़ के आई हैं.
That type of Zari ka beta hai, Hashu ka beta hai. He must be good at what he does. So I was very blessed that my parents were very well known socially. My father, he was a hotelier. My mom was one of the most beautiful women in the country. I don't know. She had a lot of style. They were both a very glamorous, stylish. They were always compared to like a Hollywood couple. Mm-hmm. So, I just grew up with all that kind of stuff around me.
हम अगर normally जितने privileged बच्चे होते हैं और जिनकी उनकी upbringing होती है, they're very pampered, they're very secure.
I'm a very Sudhrava adult. As a child, I was a monster.
But
monster.
I
had hair.
मगर कराची में आना और उस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर जहाँ मतलब कराची
Karachi welcomed me. It was
I think कराची की सबसे खूबसूरत बात ये है कि
made me who I am.
It welcomes everyone.
It made me who I am. It made me Tariq Amin. It was 3 months before you could get an appointment with me. It was crazy. Like I walk out into a shadi and look at like my radar opens and I'm thinking, iska bhi dulhan banaya, iska bhi walima kiya, uska bhi assalamu alaikum. So it's great. And now I'm doing the 3rd generation, which is even freaks me out sometimes. Because I've done the mother's makeup, I've done the daughter's makeup, and I'm doing the granddaughter's makeup. So it's 3 generations. It's quite something. I'm blessed that way that I have such a all the clients that I've always had, they've always been very, very loyal to me, and I spoil them. And
आपको क्या लगता है कि एक आउटसाइडर जब आता है, स्पेशली कराची के अंदर, तो आपने एस्टैब्लिश तो कर लिया because you belong to that circle and everything, but making an industry on your own, जहाँ लाहौर कराची की हमेशा से
there was never an industry when I came back. There was nothing. There was some aunties who were doing hair in their garages, and there was nothing. There was a beauty parlor on Tariq Road. There was Shaheen, Big Boss. That
I think you were the first one जिसने अपना brand बनाया था.
No, that made an impact in this industry where everybody said, "Oh, you can be like Tariq Amin. He works, he hangs out with beautiful people. He's a makeup artist. He's a hairdresser." Now there's a makeup artist and a hairdresser and under every rock that you
I
pick
know.
up,
I remember
there's
me
like-
growing up. हम लोग सुनते थे अच्छा जी ये बीजीज हैं ये वो हैं मगर किसी को उनकी शक्लें नहीं पता होती थी बिकॉज वो इंटरनली आपके सर्कल्स में मशहूर होते थे. यू वर द फर्स्ट वन जिसकी शक्ल मशहूर हो गई थी. योर फेस बिकेम द ब्रांड दैट आइकॉनिक इवल स्माइल.
Well, you know,
तारिक
ah,
अमीन.
yes,
you know?
the eyebrow raised, and that's still holds till today.
Yeah.
It's because you'll never see the other people from the industry at a dinner at Sahir Saigal's house, but you'll see me because, you know, I know her personally.
Yeah.
You'll never see them at a TRC gala event where, you know, Tarun Tanyani and Rohit Bal but I'll be there.
Yeah,
you
you'll
know,
be
so
there.
I mean, I'm a society boy. I said it before. I entertain. I know people. I get invited all
What
the
point
time.
did you realize कि वो moment कौन सा था कि जहाँ आपने ये चीज realize की थी कि I am a brand now. I'm not just a.
When I started working for myself, that was 10 years down the line from 1983. First 5 years I worked with Shaheen. Second 5 years I worked with Daulat Rahmatullah. And when I moved to Islamabad, was when I went solo with my own name salon, and I mean there's been no looking back. We've started a salon in Lahore, we started a salon in Karachi, and 3 cities keep me busy, and I'm, like I said, I'm blessed because I deal with 1% of the population of the country, and I'm happy.
You're happy.
You have to be happy.
How comfortable are you with social media?
I'm getting better at it. Thanks to your and Fawad's little, I met him. It was very nice to see him after such a long time. You, I keep bumping into, but him I haven't seen in ages. And I'll never forget Jat and Bond. It was such an iconic thing that you guys started on, but you guys were bachas and I was a star at that time. So I even wrote that in my thing, like you guys were having a little fan moment.
Yeah,
But it was really, like Atika sent that to me. I woke up and, Atika's an old buddy. We worked together. We've done so much together. So we had this video and I was just like, and he's going on, this animated ki mujhe baal katwane hai, and you are like, which Tariq Amin are you talking about? And it was just, I said, chalo, I'm not the type. I'm not the, it's like a slam book. You remember when hamare zamane mein slam book hoti thi? Where you wrote your name, place, animal, thing, your favorite color, your this, your that. And then you have your friends fill that in, and that was your social media from our, zamana. Spin the bottle was.
That was Truth or Dare.
But it was quite up there. We used to do other things. Truth or Dare.
There's a beautiful story. There's a beautiful story because मुझे याद है कि when we started off और जब हमने वो किया था ना तारिक वाला, so Bond comes in and he says कि यार मैंने बाल कटवाने हैं and I've heard there's this guy तारिक अमीन वो बहुत अच्छे बाल काटता है. तो मैं तारिक अमीन तारिक की बात कर रहा है. हाँ ले मैं जानता हूँ उसको. कहता तारिक अमीन. मैं कहा ले तारिक दे कोल तैनू लेके जाना. So वो लेके जाता मोहल्ले में बंदा होता है उसका नाम भी तारिक होता है तो कहता तारिक बाल काट दे उसके.
I haven't seen the whole thing. That's the clip that she sent me.
You know the story actually behind it. I actually wanted to get my hair cut from your salon. I couldn't get a booking for 2 weeks. I was like 2 हफ्ते कौन वेट करेगा कि मैंने बाल कटवाने हैं.
That has had 2.5 million views on my Instagram, and Instagram was like, oh, we are very proud of you for having this and that and the other, So thank you for even something that happened 20 years ago, and it says it's so relevant even today. I look at it and think, like what a big star you are and what a big star Fawad is, mashallah, and it's so heartwarming to know that mashallah, you were destined to be stars as well.
नहीं मैं तो कोशिश की थी कि मैं जितना बस काम
No yaar, you're very good at what you do.
Oh, that I am.
You're very good at what you do.
Thank you.
The hosting, the attitude, award shows.
You know, I have to thank Freya Altaf for that because she's the one जिसने पहली दफा मुझे कहा था कि अहमद you should try hosting. उससे पहले मैं hosting नहीं करता था.
No, you're very, very, very good
She's
at
the
it.
one.
Very good at it.
Acha ji, let's talk about the battle that nobody talks about. Khair, everybody talks about this. The fashion war between Lahore and Karachi.
It's always going to be there. Everybody's egos are just, you know.
But it used to be a beautiful war. It has become this something not what you. Matlab, there's no class left.
Thank you. You said it. I didn't.
Well, it's very
there's
obvious.
no class left in the industry anymore. It's like a free for all, and you don't know what all is happening for free. I don't even know if I can say it on. Are we on the radio? Are we on television?
No, we're on YouTube right now.
Okay,
You can say
on
it.
YouTube I can
You can.
cuss and do anything.
Yeah,
I
you can.
Oh my God, you've just let me out of the Pandora's box.
No, but why? Why do you think? I mean,
Look
in a
at the
way,
trash. I'm sorry. Look at the trash that's out there. You know, any second girl is a model. Look at all the fake things they send you. Their pictures are totally docked. When the model walks in, you're like, "Is this you?" I don't do any more comp cards, or I don't believe in them because you can just create an image of yourself how you think you are, and not be that person, not be able to do. You have no talent whatsoever. You know, मुझे अली जफर बना दें. I'm like, आपने अपनी शक्ल देखी है कि आपको अली जफर बना दूं? You know, people have that. Everybody thinks that they're beautiful.
और अली जफर एक रात में नहीं बना. अली जफर
He has worked very, very hard, and mashallah, he's got the talent. He's got the voice. He's got the looks. He's got the moves. He's Ali Zafar. He's a superstar. But you know, it takes even starting up. It takes a while to realize. Over here, everybody thinks that they're, you know, it's the whole industry has been ripped apart by all the channels.
But in a way, and please don't mind me saying that, in a way I blame you guys also, because मुझे लगता है कि अगली जनरेशन को लाने में हमारा बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है. अगर हम लोग उनके मेंटोर्स नहीं बनेंगे, हम लोग अगर उनको नहीं बताएंगे, एंड दिस इज एवरीवेयर, दिस इज हमारे एक्टिंग के अंदर थोड़ा सा हो जाता है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली बात है हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ, बट यू गाइज डोंट welcome outsiders at all.
I have helped create half my own competition in this country. 90% of people that have left the salon, my salon, by the grace of, you know, God, have opened their own name salons, and it's happened for 40 years. I do talent hunt. I'm the only one that does it. I love the in with the new and out with the old. You know, there was a time where I was just like, मैंने इन बुड्ढियों के साथ नहीं काम करना है. I've said it.
Yeah.
And you know, all the buddies, you know, we're buddies with all of them.
Yeah.
They need to do other stuff. You know, not everybody is Naomi Campbell that can still walk the ramp at 53. You know what I'm saying? So, in that time was a different time. Yeah, I was single. I was young. I could go up to a pretty girl and say, "Hey, hi, you know, I'm doing a shoot tomorrow. Would you like to be in it?" You know, I wasn't. But, you know, I don't do that anymore. I have a daughter. I don't want to think I'm some sleazy old man.
I mean, now if you
but
say
now
shoot,
no, it's just not appropriate.
तो कहेगी sorry, मैं खुद ही कर लेती हूँ.
You know, yes, absolutely. और एक जोड़े के 2.5 लाख. I was like, you know, does the smell come for free? You know, the odor come for free. So, you know, there's a lot of trash that has entered the market, and we have given a lot of validation to a lot of, you know, string B is the new string A.
I remember हमारे पास
and
fashion
you know,
shows.
we used all the girls that, you know, that I've, you know, brought into they were all girls I met socially. I met Alia Zaidi at a wedding. I met, you know, someone at a function, at dinner. It was never like you see potential in somebody, you know, as a face who has the height, who has the, I would go straight up to them and say it, you know. But, you know, when you're 60 years old, you can't do that to somebody who's 18. You come across...
Yeah.
I mean, I remember being 18, and if somebody from, you know, was that age and came up to me and says 60, I would say...
इधर आओ, मैं तुम्हें कैंडीज खिलाऊं जरा.
But, you know, but there was... that happened at our time as well. Take my number and
Yeah.
give me a call. But at least we, that was filtered out very quickly. Now it's like,
आई थिंक एक आप लोगों का लाहौर कराची की जब भी मैंने देखी थी बैक देन एक लिहाज होता था एक दूसरे की इवन ऑब्वियसली बात है कंपटीशन होता था
we
मगर
work together. I've worked with so many people
Yeah.
from my closest. I mean, Neelofer Shahid, I've done so much work with through my entire career. She's from Lahore. I've never found. I think there's certain people you can work with, and there's certain people that understand your work. Certain people that want to work with you. I want to work with Neelofer because I admire her sensibility, her craft, her dedication to her craft. She's an absolute queen, and she's in Lahore. I've never considered myself Lahore, Karachi. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि मैं तो इस्लामाबाद से हूँ, and I get away with it.
Yeah.
Because nobody is from Islamabad.
Yeah.
But because I work in both cities, Lahore and Karachi as well, there's always been that, कि हमारा फैशन बेहतर है, हमारी लड़कियां बेहतर हैं, हमारा, there's some amazing people that are in the industry that have done so much for the industry from Lahore. Khavar, I mean, he has time and again introduced the most amazing faces. He has access to that world, where he can pick up somebody with absolute raw talent, groom it, polish it, shine it, and present it to the world. Athar Shahzad have been brilliant at that.
अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ
So लाहौर में वो उनकी अपनी चीतें हैं,
Yeah.
कराची में हमारे,
मगर फिर कराची पे भी ये भी आता है ना कि भाई ओरिजिनली कराची से कोई भी नहीं है, सारे बाहर से आके यहाँ आ रहे हैं.
नहीं, Tappu Javeri is from
Yeah,
Karachi.
Tappu has been here for a while.
Everybody has been here. Rizwan is from Karachi. Arif Mahmood was from Karachi. He's moved now after he's retired, but he was from Karachi.
Why do you think वो जो एक टाइम होता था कि जब एक डिजाइनर 3 महीने लगा के अपनी कलेक्शन बनाता था और अपना सोलो शो करता था,
यार क्या टाइम होता था.
Yeah, but it doesn't happen anymore. It's
Because
all
now
about
it's all
bridal
about-
weeks.
It's all a variety show now. It's like that's what the channels have turned fashion into entertainment, and fashion should always remain as fashion. It's not entertainment. When you have a fashion week is for buyers, not for 12 of your best friends who come and see and say, "अच्छा ये मैं कल कॉफी के लिए आ रही हूँ, ये वाला जोड़ा मेरे लिए साइड पे रख देना." That's not fashion week. I had so many people say कि आप पेशावर में फैशन वीक करें, आधे पैसे आपके आधे मेरे. Just like okay, sure, like things like that happen. But nobody realizes that fashion week is it's on a government level. It's for there to sell not 2 jodas to your friend.
merchandisers आते हैं, your buy merchandisers comes in.
Yeah, but you're doing that to dress the world. You're not doing that for 2 friends of yours who are going to come
अगर
buy.
पाकिस्तान से हम लोग कोई चीज
Oh,
एक्सपोर्ट
darling,
तो कर
this
ही
is
नहीं रहे.
handmade. I can only make 2. Well, good luck to you. I need 20,000 and I need them next week. That's what a buyer is going to say. That's what a buyer comes for, to place an order like that, not for 2 hand pieces.
Yeah.
Okay, this is handmade. I'm not impressed. Everything is bloody handmade in Pakistan.
Oh yes.
If a robot has made it, it'll turn me on also.
You work mostly with Saqib?
No, I've done a lot of my best work with him.
Yeah.
He's my childhood friend. We were in school together. He was about 3 years junior to me. His parents were known to my parents. We were
Yeah.
like, his family was also one of the first families to move to Islamabad. And we just known each other like pretty much all our lives. Like,
वही वाली आप वाली बात कि creatively, visually he thinks, and you're also a visual artist. तो obviously बात है जब 2 creative लोग आपस में मिलते हैं ना.
we have had many arguments over.
Yeah.
I've walked off the set many times. मैं जा रहा हूँ.
हाँ, आप walk off बड़ा जल्दी कर देते हैं.
During Khamaj, we had a major altercation.
अच्छा.
And I remember Shan He literally picked me up and brought me back onto the set, like physically picked me up. And I'm not an easy guy to pick up.
Yeah.
And he's like, Bas, you have to sort this out, do it right now, get it over with. So, you can do that with your friends as well, so which is a good thing. So, we've done a lot of work together because you have to, like I said, working with somebody, especially on a long-term basis, and you keep having to do it again and again, you have to have a certain respect for each other's craft. And, Saqib is a brilliant director. I've done, like I said, some of my best work is done with him.
Yeah.
And he's also a stickler for detail. He's also old school. He's also got the same, we grew up with the same things. We went to movies together when we were kids. My mother was a member of the censor board, and we used to go in, two little toddlers, used to go and sit with them and watch all the English movies before the kissing was cut and all the censorship things were snipped.
First hand dekhne ko milta.
So we used, we've grown up together. So we're very close friends.
He's a brilliant guy. He still has to
He's
come
one
on
of
the
my
podcast.
closest friends. And
आ जाएं साकिब भाई, आ जाएं यार.
हाँ, please आ जाओ.
Please. Okay, कुछ नन्हे मुन्ने से हमारे सवाल होते हैं. Excuse me, अगर if you want to answer
squeeze
them.
me anytime.
Squeeze me anytime. All right, G, the best pickup line ever used on me was.
On me?
Yes.
क्या आप हमारे फ्रेंड हैं?
क्या आप हमारे फ्रेंड हैं?
क्या आप हमारे फ्रेंड हैं? All of those people who are my friends know the second half of the line as well.
Okay, all right. Okay.
We can beep it out when you want me to say it.
Oh, please do. हम beep कर देंगे.
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Just in case.
एक चीज जो मैं कभी नहीं करूंगा.
एक चीज जो मैं कभी नहीं करूंगा. Oh my God. सब चीजें कर चुका हूँ actually. I'm trying to think,
क्या रह गया?
क्या रह गया? We can come back to this one, can we?
Yeah, sure.
I'll think.
अच्छा, one thing I want to try.
I want to be able to I have a fear of the sea. I want to get rid of that. I never used to. I had an incident when we were...
I'm a good swimmer, but...
I'm a super swimmer.
Samundar is... Oh, no.
I just have a phobia of the sea.
Because I can't see the bottom.
Yes, what I can't see, I'm scared of. So that really, really...
एक compromise मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था.
बहुत से compromise नहीं करने चाहिए थे मुझे. I'm a sucker. I have a good heart. And people have used and abused me through life, and that's okay. You live and you learn.
Okay.
So I wish there's not one, there's a lot of them.
सबसे बुरे बाल मैंने किसके काटे?
It was like once I gave a haircut at gunpoint, and I made that person look like Jetander, and he loved it.
Gunpoint?
At gunpoint, yes. He couldn't get an appointment. This was years ago. He said, now. And I was just like, please.
Did he pay you?
Yes.
अच्छा, गन पॉइंट पे बाल भी कटवाए और पैसे भी दिए?
हाँ. और बहुत, I mean, I can't do a bad haircut. I've tried, but I can't do it. But I gave him the worst possible style, which would not have looked good on him.
Mm-hmm.
He had funding वाले बाल नहीं होते हैं जो funding होते हैं. उस जमाने में वो 80s का एक मिथुन type, like long.
Yeah, bad Jerry curl.
Yes, like
bad
Knight Rider type,
yeah.
Like foo-foo.
Oh.
Bow.
और भाई को पसंद आ गया.
Loved it. I was just like, damn. He loved it.
ओए. एक अपना शूट जो मैं रीडू करना चाहूंगा.
मैं?
हाँ.
अपना, like my shoot?
One of my work that I want to redo it.
No, I think I put my butt and my mind and my every sweat and thing in every shoot that I've worked on. I mean, it's 100%. I'd love to do... there's a lot of shoots that are still on my wish list that I would like to do. And some of them involve Mr. Javeri, my good buddy, but he's such a busy man that usko hijack karna ज़रा मुश्किल होता है. Arif is now moved to Islamabad, which is really, really nice. Arif Mahmood.
Yeah.
We've done some
A
amazing...
lot of Karachiites are moving to Punjab.
Well, I don't know. This is a place when you're younger, you can, be in Karachi, and once you have kids and stuff and you settle down, you want something a little bit more secure and stuff. So it's a great place to retire. And I'm almost there.
It's like the Beverly Hills without the hills. Without the Beverly.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, we have Beverly Center. I'm there at Beverly Center.
Sorry, Islamabad. Sorry.
No, Islamabad's on the map, guys.
Oh, yeah.
You have to come and party with me in Islamabad.
Okay, definitely. I'm coming next week, by the way.
Give me a buzz.
Yeah. एक celebrity.
दिखाएंगे इस्लामाबाद की वादियाँ.
एक celebrity जिसको मैं avoid करता हूँ. Too many?
No. I don't avoid anybody.
Uh-huh.
I don't avoid. I'm well brought up.
Okay.
So, salam dua सबके साथ.
एक अपनी आदत जो मुझे जहर लगती है.
I'm quite a moophat. It gets me into trouble sometimes. I don't
Filter.
No. If I like you, I let you know, and if I don't like you, you will definitely be informed about it.
Okay.
I'm a Scorpio. Makes life simple. Best friend, worst enemy.
एक चीज जो मैंने अपनी बीवी से सीखी.
Urdu. Thanks, Faiza.
What a beautiful answer, yaar. Urdu. Nothing else. Just Urdu.
आदाब.
एक चीज जो मैंने अपनी औलाद से सीखी.
उसी टाइम सीख रही थी उर्दू जब औलाद सीख रही थी उर्दू.
अच्छा, fatherhood taught me.
Father has taught me patience to another level. Because your life changes when you have children. Completely, you're not alone anymore.
Yeah.
You can't just get up and say, let's just go for the weekend. It's just not happening. So you have to get all of that out of your system. So, kids teach you that you have to be a better person. You can't up. You can't, you can't.
Yeah, you can't. Lux मेरे लिए क्या है?
I've never used Lux. Even the free ones that they gave, I used to give them away.
हाँ, मगर आपको Lux Award मिला था.
पहला.
हाँ, फिर उसके बाद आप बैन भी हो गए थे.
Exactly. I've been there, done that.
Yeah.
All these award shows, unfortunately, I've won all of them. But, whether it's a style award or a this award or a that award, but it really doesn't mean anything.
Yeah.
Because, anybody can get an award. They're giving awards away to
But
people.
I think me hosting so many awards, मुझे लगता है कि awards हमारे जो हैं, they really need to
there has to be one platform.
Revamp themselves.
When people say कि आप अपना portfolio भेजें, I'm like, do you ask Brad Pitt for a portfolio for the Oscars? No. The people, the governing body don't just get together for 2 days in the year and say, okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
You have to be involved with the industry. If you don't know what work I'm doing or what work you're doing, then you have no business being on that jury or whatever. They know what Brad Pitt is up to. The Academy of Motion Pictures knows what every actor is up to.
They keep
you don't
track
have to
of
say
these
कि
things.
आज मैंने ये shoot किया, आज ये भी देखें. I mean, हमको बच्चे हैं कि you're treating us like some, like it's just not done like that.
Yeah. I agree with you.
So, you have to they should know what the hell every actor is up to, every artist, whoever is in the industry. Nobody sends a portfolio. No, this only happens in Pakistan.
Okay.
We unfortunately have our own laws and regulations, and nobody does this kind of stuff anywhere in the world. It only happens here. India mein aapke models are it's regulated. If you're a newcomer or a celebrity or Ahmed Ali Bhatt, you will be given an X amount. It's a different thing that you're getting. The designer and he's giving you a joda or 10 crores on top of it. But on the books, you're all getting 15,000 rupees per show. इधर तो मैं 2.5 लाख लेती हूँ एक जोड़े के लिए.
क्या
I'm just
बात
like,
है. Oh my God. From the top
Satke
of
Jama, that's the thing I have to learn.
from the top of your head, what look will you give to the following? Okay. सबसे पहले हानिया.
Hania, she's so cute. She's like a little. I've never met her or worked with her, but she's super cute.
Short, long, bob, curl, what?
I'd like to make her uncute, like a very. I mean, she's a woman. She's not a girl any longer. So it would be nice to make her look like a woman.
Okay. All right. Sajal.
Same thing. She's also stereotyped with that, girl next door kind of a thing. She's not a girl. She's a woman. I would like to make her look like a woman.
Okay. Humayun Saeed.
Thank God I'm a man and not a boy.
Humayun Saeed, the boy.
Humayun Saeed is, mashallah, he's one. He reminds me of Jason Statham. The oneness of Jason Statham is the oneness of Humayun Saeed. He's a superstar. He's a superstar.
मैं क्या look देना चाहेंगे? I have never seen Humayun in longer hair.
I have given Humayun Saeed the look of his life. I don't think I should talk about it. But you ask Humayun भाई कि तारिक ने आपके साथ क्या किया है?
हुमायूं भाई तारिक ने आपके साथ क्या किया?
मैंने उनके साथ
बस ठीक.
That's a full program on its own. I'll come back for that one.
Okay.
Call him on the show with me and we'll both discuss just nothing but this look.
Yumna.
I don't.
You've not
never worked.
Met her. Okay.
I've never worked with her. I haven't met her. And she's. Again, none of these girls are girls any longer. They're all have matured. They've been a part of the industry for the last 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 years now. So they need to, you can't be that versatility. Amari newcomers, there's not that versatility that was there before.
Yeah.
Look at our actresses from yesteryear. From your Ruhi Bano to Sarah Kazmi to Marina to look at these, the evolution of these women, how and what all they did, the different kinds of roles that they did, even the men. Now everybody is. We just saw this new movie that everybody is like. We are going to hopefully be going to Bhopal for a family wedding, and it's. Shroff, the अपनी
English film, yeah.
ये जो अभी नई Indian movie आई है with Saif Pataudi's son.
Wow,
Nadani.
Lavyapa. I think it's
something with. He looks just like his father.
Yeah, but it's a bad film because people
It was not a very good film. Let's just put it that way.
Last but certainly not the least, what do I want to be remembered as?
Kick ass at what I did in life. That's about it. Don't need the medals and the awards and the stuff, but just, people have been very kind all my life, and I just hope they continue to do that.
Inshallah.
I'm grateful.
You are an institution, my friend, and whenever I've met you, it's with very warm, kind, love, and respect that you give, especially to me. और मैं हैरान होता हूँ कि जब आप नयों को भी मिलते हैं, नए बच्चों को मिलते हैं, you always have this smile and this openness about you. Allah आपको इसी तरह हमेशा खुश रखे, and I would love to work with you. Inshallah.
Anytime, boss. We'll get around.
We'll get that haircut now.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much for taking time.
My pleasure. Thank you.
भाईजान अपना ख्याल रखें, पाकिस्तान का ख्याल रखें, और अगर हो सके तो तारिक अमीन के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट 3 महीने से पहले बुक करवा लें. ठीक है. अल्लाह हाफिज़.